Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate if you are getting this problem of our Windows level update KB5101684 OS build 26200.8973 and 26100.8973 not installing on Windows level. If you are getting this problem, I have best proven solution. That solution you will try to this problem prevent it. Don't waste our time. Let's get started that solution. Then first solution I go to talk about corrupted files delete in file explorer. So we can go to open the file explorer. Then here select the local disk C. Double tap to open. Here you can locate the Windows folder and open. Then scroll down and scroll down until find software distribution folder. So if you found, then double tap to open and selected all, then right click, just delete all folder. If you did, then you come to back, it is the safe and security, just you come to back in the file explorer. After that we can go to proceed to the next solution of troubleshoot Windows update. Sometimes if you cannot correctly update, if it can contribute like this issues. So if you like this, if you're getting this error, just you can go to troubleshoot the your Windows update, you solve this problem and prevent it. So you can go to that search bar and type Windows update. Just you click on the find and fixing problem with Windows update. Then you will get a new tab. Then you hit the next to, it is processing. If this processing done, then you can go to restart your system. This tool try to you get f- what have got the problems it and so it this tool, just you can here you will see vending system changes that required reboot has been detected. Just hit the next to, again it is the processing this resolving problems found and how to solve also it is explained. So you wait and see here. So the problems found, check for the bending restart and checking for Windows update issues. Just hit the close to come to back from this tool. Then we can go to throw the next solution of command promote. So I go to how to try that step. So you go to Windows search bar and type that command promote and right click and select the run as administrator to run. Here inside command promote and type commands for I go to how to take, I go to expose. So you go to open your file Chrome browser or web browser. Then you can go to type Mr. Learning Way. Just hit the enter. You can visit first website. Click to open. Then you can go to that, or you can click on this Windows level 25H2. Just click on this blog post and open. Then scroll down. Here you can go to find the command promote commands. Then you come to back. Then you will try this blog post. Well, there are available. So here then just a copy one by one, copy to paste in command promote. Hit the enter. Then it is automatically taken that command. Then next command copy. Then pick up and paste here in command section. Okay. Then go to next command. Then we are going to copy. Then paste. Then if you have done, then you can go to try the next step of the next command of like this. Then this name copy, then paste here the next command. We are used first for 4 steps, stop to the Windows update. Then we can go to start the services. So here we can go to copy, again paste to start that process and services. Then if you have done, then you come to back from the command prompt. So type that exit, then close it this website. After that, you can go to click on the start menu and click on the power button and select the restart to restart your system. Then we can go to throw, if this try to then does not work, even does not work, then you can go to throw the next solution of delete temporary files. So you can go to click on the Windows search bar and type that delete temporary files. Just click to open this tool. Here you will see temporary files available. Just you will click to open the temporary section. Then here select that delivery optimization file and below recycle pin file, temporary files and thumbnail. If you have selected done, then you come to back from the then you first of all you can go to removed files. Then you will come to back. It is safe. Just you try to then come to back. Then you can go to relaunch the your update. If this try to sometime it does not work, then you can go to throw the next solution of manual download and update the this game file, this Windows update file. Just copy. Then you can go to open the your web page and type that. Then you can go to search Windows update catalog and visit this first website. Here you can copy that file code. Then here hit the search, click to search. After that you will get this Windows level update file. Just you download to install to update the latest version Windows level. If you have done, then you come to back. Here it is low network issues. Just you will come to back. After that, your problem should be solved. And sometimes if this try to it does not work, then you can go to throw the next solution of services. Just you will go to check if there is whether it is enable or disable Windows update services. So I go to expose how to there are checking, just only checking. Then scroll down. Then here you can go to find Windows Update Services. Just right click to select the properties. Here you can see startup type is automatically. Then if the service status is stopped, just to start to change. Then hit the apply and hit the OK to close. Then come to back. Sometimes it can contribute that this is issues. So you can one time come to check if it is enable, it is running or stopped. If there is stop, just start to change it. Then you come to back from the services. After that you can go to restart your system, then relaunch the your Windows update. Then your problem should be solved. And if you have any doubt, let me know. I will help you. And don't forget subscribe. And thanks for watching.